Allen Tittle here, Cleveland car accident lawyer. You know, we get a lot of questions from potential clients, current clients, about just the car accident process and what they can expect down the road. So I just wanted to shoot a quick overview video, sort of explaining what we do as lawyers and sort of the whole process of a car accident claim. So, look, we all know a car crash can cause a whole host of injuries. Broken bones, a broken arm, a broken leg, a broken rib, herniated discs in your neck or back, bulging discs in your neck or back, concussions, traumatic brain injuries, spinal cord injuries, including paralysis, even severe things like amputations. A car crash, depending on the severity, can really be a life-altering experience. And so the first question we often get is, hey, Alan, do I need a lawyer for my car accident case? Look, if you're in a small fender bender and you only, maybe your neck is sore for a day, you go to urgent care and that's it, you probably do not need a lawyer for that claim. However, you definitely need a lawyer if you have any type of injury that goes beyond that, including with medical treatment, missed work, things like that. Insurance companies and insurance adjusters are trained to give you the least amount of money possible after a car crash. You need a lawyer on your side fighting for you. You're a victim. You did nothing wrong. You're sitting at a stoplight and get rear-ended by a vehicle going 55 miles per hour. It's not your fault. You shouldn't be victimized more than once. So the answer is, if you have an injury that lasts more than a couple days and you have some medical treatment beyond just a simple urgent care visit or a family doctor's appointment, you probably need a lawyer. What's a lawyer do? So, look, when you're in a car crash, it's important to hire a lawyer as soon as possible. The more time that occurs after a crash, the more evidence disappears. A lawyer is able to investigate right away the crash itself. So if there's surveillance videos from nearby businesses, we'll want to get those. And sometimes those get erased within 7 days, sometimes less. Interviewing witnesses. Witnesses disappear out of the thin air the more time that occurs. So here at our firm, we would get a private investigator to go interview those folks to make sure that we hear their side of the story, and that's all documented. Getting police reports, photos of both your car and the person who hit you. We got to get all that evidence before it's gone. And so it's imperative that after a crash, you call the lawyer as soon as possible and hire him. Once a lawyer is hired and sort of do that initial investigative process, the next step is to sort of help you and walk with you in terms of medical treatment. And so there's a lot of missteps that could really affect your case in terms of medical treatment. Gaps in treatment. So say you take a month off from physical therapy and then go right back to it. That's not good. You want to get, if you're injured, you want to have treatment within 48 hours of the crash. All these things are major missteps that a lawyer can help prevent and make sure that those things do not occur in terms of harming your case. Also, they should walk with you in terms of making sure that you're getting the right treatment. So say you have symptoms of a concussion or a brain injury, and the doctor is just missing it. Well, the bottom line is a lawyer is able to walk with you and make sure that you are getting the right doctors and the right treatment. Once you're done with the medical treatment, the lawyer will order all of your medical records and bills and compile what's called a demand package. That demand package is then sent to the insurance company, and it's evaluated and negotiated. And the lawyer will do everything in their power to make sure that they get you every penny that you deserve. But if the insurance company isn't going to be fair, that's when a lawyer can step in and file a lawsuit. Now, the whole process of filing a lawsuit, that is not for the faint of heart. So it could be 2 to 3 years before you get your day in court. And there's a whole lot of steps in between before getting there. Written discovery, your deposition, expert reports, all these things that a lawyer has to walk through to make sure that your case is handled properly. Hopefully that answers a lot of questions that you have in terms of how a car accident claim or case is handled. But please, any more questions, give me a call, 216-222-2222.